Pistorius, the first ever visit of any German federal defense minister to our country. And we're glad to welcome him together with members of his delegation, include distinguished members of Parliament in Germany. And this is indeed another milestone in the bilateral relations between our countries. The visit follows the German Federal Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock's visit to Manila earlier this January, and President Marcos' visit to Berlin last March, where our countries agreed to cooperate more extensively on several fields to include defense. We once again reiterate our thanks for the consistent statements of support that the German Republic has given to our position in the West Philippine Sea against unlawful actions by China. And we value the partnership that we have on the basis of international law and upholding a rules-based international order, which is key to the stability of the Indo-Pacific region. We also strongly support the observership status of Germany in the ASEAN Defense Ministers meet, as we feel that Germany has much to contribute in a dynamic and a holistic sense to the stability of this region, and exchanges not only individually with ASEAN countries, but with ASEAN as a whole, a host of other areas, particularly in the technological and cyber sphere. We will agree to continue the important dialogue, and once the logistics are set up, I also am pleased to announce that as soon as possible we will be hosting our first, our new German defense attaché to the Philippines, and we thank Germany for its offers of training and education for the members of our defense establishment.
I very much appreciate that you are taking the time to meet my delegation and me today on a Sunday, and that gives me the occasion to congratulate your country and your people to the gold medal in Paris on the ball. Congratulations, it's a great success. I dare say taking the time to meet was worth it, and it was high time indeed, ladies and gentlemen. As you quite rightly pointed out, Gilberto, this is the first visit of the German defense minister to the Philippines, even though we have been working together closely for so many years. As a matter of fact, diplomatic relations between our two countries go back exactly 70 years, and I think we can only build on that. And I'm very grateful for the candid and frank conversation we had today. In our talk, we also touched on the development of human rights in the Philippines, especially since the current government took office 2 years ago. This year, we are resuming relations between our ministries, and we even want to intensify our cooperation. What does it mean in concrete terms? First, we want to build long-lasting relations between our armed forces, and we want to learn from each other. Second, we want to cooperate more closely in the field of armaments. This could, for example, include cooperation in air defense, coastal defense, and possibly the procurement of transport aircraft. We have made good progress on these matters in our talks. Third, we want to further expand our training cooperation as well as our bilateral activities. This includes talks of on experts level. To boost our relations in these areas, we plan to sign, as we just mentioned earlier, a bilateral arrangement shortly. Bilateral cooperation is crucial for both the Philippines and Germany. It also sends a clear message to our partners. The countries advocating the